So Bookbeam just came up with a huge update, and it was already one of, if not the best KDP keyword research tool out there, but now it is starting to compete with other KDP tools as well. So let me show you what these features are and how it can save you a ton of money. So real quick, if you're new to Bookbeam, it is basically a KD Spy and Publisher Rocket put together, plus some additional features that only Bookbeam has. They have a ton of features, as you can see on the left here. They got the book tracker, they got the research features. Now the niche finder here is the feature that only Bookbeam has, that is one of the most useful keyword research feature out there. Just to give you a quick demonstration, you can basically create filters and find specific books that fits that filter. So as an example, let's say that in the US market, I want to find top selling self-published books with low rating count, which will move the BSR rank to 35,000. Obviously, you can edit this even more. So we can do like books with less than 30,000 BSR with less than 30 reviews. So these books are doing good sales with less than 30 reviews. And you can even sort it by price, age, rating, a lot more, even the categories here, right? So let's see what kind of books we can find. And just like that, all these books fits the category. So like literally within seconds, you can find best-selling books with very, very little reviews. Like this one right here, Fuzzy Hyuga. So it is a Hyuga coloring book, right? It's a brand new one, 17 reviews. It's at 734 BSR, and it's doing $11,000 a month. Independently published, right? Someone who's doing self-publishing like me and you. So like it's kind of crazy. You know, now we have coloring book for adults, Yahtzee, score sheets, getting a lot of ideas. But anyways, this is one of the most useful research tool out there. By the way, this one's funny. A chicken was there also, a Tales of the Courageous Chicken. I don't know what this book is about, but it's selling really well and it looks kind of funny. So that was a niche finder. And Bookbeam also has the Chrome extension that does this section right here. So I actually show this section a lot in my other videos where I actually show you that, where it's showing the BSR, but also how many sales it's making a day and how many royalties it's making every single day. So this is actually coming from Bookbeam. So if you get Bookbeam, you will be able to see this directly in the search results as well. And Bookbeam also replaces the huge suggestion expander tool because it does that for you. So it gives you a lot of suggestions based on the keyword you're typing, just to give you more ideas. Even additional data here like search volume, competition, opportunity score. Going back to the website, there's also the trademark checker. There's also the keyword research tool, keyword generator, which is similar to Publisher Rocket. There's the category explorer, which is once again similar to Publisher Rocket. We have the listing optimizer, which I don't know any other tool doing this, but basically you can upload your book and it'll tell you where you can improve and even give you a book listing score. There's also the description formatter. Now this one you can get for free, so I don't think it's that important. And they even have the opt-in page builder. If you're building your email list, you can create a landing page right here. And they even give you a 3-hour course on Amazon Self-Publishing 101. So you can start going through the lessons. If you're an absolute beginner, this might help you. All right, so now we finally make it to the actual features that are brand new, which are what we're talking about today. So Bookbeam already, from all the features that I just showed you, is one of the best, if not the best, KDP keyword research tool out there. But now they came up with this 2 new feature called Bookbeam Create that is competing with other AI tools out there. So we have the AI Assistant and the AI Editor. So let me show you what they do. So if you click on the AI Assistant here, you can basically create a book description, create an outline, and do customer research. So when I click on the customer research here, and I'm just going to type in decluttering because I always use decluttering as an example. This is what we get. So we have the customer research report for keyword decluttering. Introduction. The decluttering niche on Amazon encompasses a range of books focused on organizing, simplifying, and transforming living spaces. These books target individuals seeking to reduce clutter, enhance their living environment, and improve mental clarity and efficiency. All right, so we have some basic information there. Then we have key findings and insights, key niches and subtopics, and we have some subtopics, ideas like minimalism, ADHD, seniors, targeting emotional and psychological aspect of decluttering. We have market opportunities, target audience, demographic profile, psychographic characteristics, and much more. Key players, competitor analysis, pricing, a lot of stuff. So this is something that you can also figure it out on ChatGPT for free, but you will have to learn the prompting, which some people prefer not to do. So that was a customer research. Let me show you the outline example. So you can select nonfiction or fiction. Same thing, I'm gonna put decluttering. We're gonna keep the target audience at adults. We'll do 8 chapters. So for the description, I'm just gonna put how to declutter your home in less than 10 minutes a day and reduce stress. And this is what we got. So outline for book decluttering. Decluttering, ease your mind and space in less than 10 minutes a day. That is a title that it gave me. And we have some subtitle options, a simple guide to reduce stress through organized living, transforming your space, transforming your mind, number of chapters, book summary. We have the goals of the manuscript here. Target audience, main reader insights, book tone and style, essential reader questions, why readers are compelled to read this book. And then we have chapter 1, the clutter stress connection. And then we have the subtopic and the bullet points. So if you use other AI writing tools out there, then they will do this as well. But my point is that now you can do this in Bookbeam. So it seems like Bookbeam is literally trying to be the only tool that you need for all things KDP, right? They're trying to absorb features from other tools out there and really have this all-in-one thing going. So it is kind of starting to compete with the AI writing tool because it is now doing the same thing, creating a really detailed book outline for you. So just like that, we got 8 chapters here for it. So the last thing I want to show you is the description feature. So I'm just going to put the same information here and click on generate. And this is what we got. So transform your space and mind with just 10 minutes a day. So we got the header here. We have Unlock the Secrets to a Clutter-Free Life with Decluttering by Sean Dowett. This book cuts through the chaos of everyday life to introduce a simplified approach. So basically we got the bullet points section. We have the overcoming objection. We have the call to action. So this is kind of the structure that is recommended to have if you have like a nonfiction book. So it's kind of following the structure to the T. So it is a really good description in that sense. So once again, this is kind of something that other AI tools will do, but now Bookbeam is coming into that space and competing with them. So it's good for us as a consumer because all these tools are competing with each other, trying to get better and adding new features. So us users are just going to have a better and better and better product over time. All right, so that was all 3 of the AI assistant feature. The next one is really cool as well because this is the AI editor and it's essentially competing with Grammarly. So if I come in here, basically I will just paste the book outline as an example. There are many options on the left over here. Like you can literally ask it to proofread the book for you, rewrite the book, check grammar, improve the text, etc. Right? So you just click on it. Like as an example, I just clicked on proofread and it proofread the entire book and it's telling me to add some dash here. I'm not sure what it is. You can accept it or reject it. And obviously there are no other mistakes because this is the outline that Bookbeam itself generated. But let me see if I can create some mistakes here. So I just typed in some random gibberish here and let's see if it fixes this mistake. And yes, it does. So all I did is I highlighted and then I clicked on checking grammar. So it would be cool if you're writing the book yourself, you just upload the document and have a really easy way to check for proofreading, grammar, improve the text, etc. So this is something that Grammarly Premium does, which costs money. It's $10 a month. And now you can basically do the same thing within Bookbeam. And by the way, if you guys want to check out Bookbeam, the link is obviously below this video and you will get a small discount by using the link in the description below. So just to recap everything that I talked about today, this is what I mean when I say Bookbeam is really all in one, because Bookbeam basically replaces Katie Spy, which is a $69 one-time payment, Publisher Rocket, which is a $97 one-time payment at the moment. It also partially replaces ChatGPT 4, which is $20 a month. So, as I said earlier, you can create the book outline, description, customer research, the proofreading and editing of the content on GPT-4, but you will have to learn the prompting, right, which takes time, and you'll be paying, money for that. You can do it for the free version, but obviously the GPT-4 has better output. So if you do go for that option, it'll be $20 a month. And for the proofreading of the text, you can either do it on GPT-4 or if you do choose to use Grammarly Premium, that is $10 a month, right? So it replaces all these tools out there. Plus, it has additional features unique to Bookbeam, like the niche finder. From what I know, nobody else has a feature like niche finder, which is one of the most useful keyword research feature out there. And it comes with a 3-hour beginner KDP course. So Bookbeam is an amazing tool, but the only downside is that they do not have a one-time payment option. They only have subscriptions. And that is why if you're low on budget, I still recommend Katie Spy or getting Publisher Rocket because those are one-time payment. You never have to pay again. And over time, you'll probably save more money that way. Although as a comparison, I do think Bookbeam is better if you can afford it. So these are the price points. Once again, they got the yearly and the monthly subscription. I'll let you guys decide if this is something you want to get, but I'm just here to kind of inform you on what's happening, the updates. So hopefully you enjoy the video. Once again, the link is below this video if you guys want to check it out, as well as if you want to learn more about my complete publishing program, teaching you how to go from an absolute beginner to knowing what to do to build a 5 or even 6-figure Amazon KDP business, like how I did and many of my students did, then the link is also in the description below. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.